1987 Pontiac Fiero GT here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This particular car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Miles 67,000 and some odd miles on it. Particular color, medium red metallic. I'll let you go ahead and take a close look at the hood, nose cone. You can see where there's been a little bug remains, maybe some real light rock chips, but overall not bad shape at all. One to get in, drive, have some fun. Of course, the GT powered by the 2.8 liter 6-cylinder, and that is paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. Power brakes, AC blows cold. You want to check out the engine compartment, check out the underside pics, interior still pictures to be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Light gray cloth interior. Of course, the center console. Keys on, FYI. I was checking to see if the headlights went up and down, which they do. And I will show you that here in a bit. We'll start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a look at the engine compartment. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. FYI, there is some manuals. There is the wheel lock socket you can see there. Car cover, some miscellaneous parts will go along with this. And original owner's manual, and also like a repair manual or what have you will be with it also. Check out the still pictures. Once again, see the underside, interior still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Get a side view here. There's a few, again, little imperfections. Notice one in the door right down here. But again, you don't really notice anything real major on it. It's one of those, have some fun. Get in and drive it. Here's an 80s classic. No doubt about that. Of course, nicely equipped with the GT model, because you're going to have power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. Take a look at the exact miles. There you go, 67,029. Sure, we're neutral here. Close that door so that light goes off. All right, here's gas gauges working, as well as the tachometer. Did have the radio working. The volume adjust was a little touchy, and AC did blow cold, FYI. Note that for you again. Just hit right there. There, you can hear the compressor kick on, and it did not take long to get cold at all. Take a look at the dash and the other gauges as far as oil pressure and your battery gauge. Put that AC back off, that is cold. Take a look at the passenger seat. You can see seats are really free of much of any wear at all, rips, tears. The driver's side. All right, let me pause this a second. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open both compartments so you can see underneath the hood, so to speak, and then the trunk or deck lid. So let me pause this, get both those things open, and we'll check it.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, we're going to start in the front up here. See how nice and clean and tight it is here. Of course, that's going to be your radiator. Of course, spare tire, power brake booster, master cylinder, windshield washer fluid. Some of the components, the AC up front. Something else I also wanted to mention, I noticed on the title of this vehicle, which was issued back in 1998, it looks like it is the same owners that had it in 98 on the title as is the names and information on the original paperwork and owner's manual. And it looks like the folks started in Arizona, then moved back here to Minnesota, and they probably had the title switched from state to state, obviously, and the gentleman that purchased this car next would have got it from them. So theoretically this is a two-owner car. And yeah, again, the Carfax, no accidents indicated on it. It does not show it being switched from person to person to person. So completely believe this is more than likely a two-owner car. Take a look at how clean that engine is. And of course your storage compartment back here also. Alright, one last thing. I'm going to pause this. I want to flip those headlights up so you can see that they work. I mentioned that earlier. I want to make sure you see them work also. Alright, hood closed, car still running. And there you go. Headlights also in operating order. 1987 Pontiac Fiero GT. Over what, 67,000 miles? Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.